Pop-Pop's got those green beans prepping.
You ready?
Yeah.
So these are inspired by a recipe from Sean Brock out of his cookbook called South. And we're making a little bit of changes to it, but it's a really good recipe. We are doing kind of a quick pork stock by using a quart of vegetable stock and a smoked ham hock.
Oh.
That's gonna basically simmer for about an hour. And then after the hour, we'll add the beans. We'll slow simmer that for another hour. And then we're gonna add a big old scoop of lard and some of that Yardbird.
Uh-oh.
You wanna bring this up to a boil first, and then we'll just bring it back down to a simmer, cover it, and let it just mellow for about an hour.
Still brown looking.
Ooh, so porky, so smoky.
Ain't know what a dog treat.
Put that in right there. Kind of French cut it.
Go with some of them Funyuns.
Yep.
And some Funyuns.
Half baked.
Yep.
I know that movie. I want to talk to Samson. Bring that up to a boil, and then bring it back down to a simmer, and let it just mellow out for about an hour. Yep.
Yeah.
So we have been simmering for about an hour on this. Yeah, man. You smell that?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Light out.
You really dropped a lot of them out.
You just gotta smell it. You can taste it. Ooh, hot. It smells really porky.
Is it extra hockey?
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be nice, especially when we get seasoned. It's a little bit sweet. We're gonna do, this is a great rub, by the way, if you're not using it. Yardbird rub by Plowboy's barbecue. A tablespoon and a half there. This is where it becomes super special. Got that snow cap manteca, lard, and then plop. Stir that in, let it melt.
Okay, and how long does this go? For another what?
Another hour. Covered, simmered,
Scattered, covered, smothered?
Yep. Beans are ready.
Let's try them.
You can smell this.
Oh
my goodness.
Yeah.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
Oh God, those smell so good. They're perfect.
All right.
Texture's amazing. There's a little bit of sweetness from that Yardbird rub. Also, some depth from the lard. Black pepper. It's perfect. Sweet.